Hello, class and professor. This is going to be week 4 discussion post. First off, happy Thanksgiving. Explain the plea bargaining process. The plea bargaining process usually involves the defendants pleading guilty to a lesser charge or one of several charges. It also may involve a guilty plea as charged with the prosecution recommendation of leniency in sentencing. It's seen between the defendant and the prosecutor when the defendant agrees to plead guilty or no contest in exchange for an agreement by the prosecutor to drop one or more charges, reduce charges to a lesser serious offense, or recommend to a judge a specific sentencing is acceptable to the defense. List the elements of a valid plea bargain. The validity of a plea bargain is dependent upon 3 essential components: the waiver of rights, the voluntary waiver, and the factual biases to support the charges to which the defendant is pleading guilty. Define the role of a judge in the plea bargaining process. The role of a judge is to accept or reject a plea deal that is brought up to them. The judge takes into consideration the nature of the charges and the defendant's criminal history, if any. The judge also considers the circumstances or situations surrounding the case before accepting or rejecting a plea deal. Create and provide an opinion on whether the plea bargaining is beneficial to the United States criminal justice system and why. There are many pros and cons for plea bargaining, but for this assignment, I decided to go with plea bargaining is beneficial to the criminal justice system. With a plea bargain, you can avoid case publicity. You can lessen the judge and prosecutor caseload. You save money in legal fees. Could possibly result in fewer offenses on the defendant's record, and also saves time of everybody. Just to name a few things. Plea bargainings give the defendant another way to face their consequences of their actions at that very moment, rather than awaiting trial to be judged by the peers, potentially sentencing them to a stricter punishment. That doesn't mean they're waiving their rights of their Sixth or Seventh Amendment rights. They're just doing something that help benefits them, if that makes sense. If every case were to go to the criminal justice system and see the whole process, that process could take up to months to complete. A lot of people be sitting in jail waiting on their trial because there are so many cases and there's not enough judges in the system for there to be a speedy trial, if that's the case. Thank y'all for listening. Have a good day.